What up, y'all? Cool as Jay here in the shop. Today, we got our first volunteer for our volunteer program. So I'm testing him, I'm showing him the ropes. I'm gonna have him walk him through putting together his first desktop. And then we gonna have him put together some desktops on his own. See what he's really working with. See how much he really wanna do this. So we gonna tune in and keep you updated on what's going on. You wanna introduce yourself?
I'm Mark. I don't know what the fuck shit at this point, but ready to work on some computer.
DMV computer man, you know where to go. So, I walked him through his first joint. Got that joint put together, turned on. I ain't show him how to load it or nothing yet. Right now, I'm just gonna see if he can put one together by himself with no help. And if so, we're gonna see how many. Might have him do like 5, and then I'm gonna show him how to load one and let him load the other 4. We're gonna see how, we're just gonna gradually see how much he progressed and see how far we can take it for the day. But it is only day 1, but as you see, in your first day in, he already hands in. It ain't no lectures and all of that. Walk through and then show me what you got.
Today I learned, mostly the basics of how to build a computer. At first, I didn't have enough information about building a desktop like this. So, I learned how to, put the hard drive in, take it out, make sure all the cords are put back in place, how to put Windows 10 on it. So, make sure that it's running smoothly and everything. And I just, worked on how to make sure that. And I just learned that, to make sure that the computer and everything, all the hardware, works the same and everything.
My man finished his first day. My second trainee. I got Mike under my belt, and now got a second one. We're gonna see if he returned back though. He had a real technician's day today. Everything he did, nothing came out successful. We got really close, but we had a bad hard drive. So we're gonna order some hard drives for him. When he come back in, he know how to load up, and we're gonna show him a few more tricks of the trade. Oh, what else you do today? You did OS reload, and you did something else today. Screen.
Yeah.